Just a quick intro about this video. This video is me trying out my new baby carrier rucksack that I got for my daughter. The weather was a bit iffy, so I waited for a break in the weather, set off, and it didn't last long. We got absolutely drenched, had to get the basher out and hard under that, and once the rain had gone, we buggered off home. But we had a good time, and this is the video, this is the footage. Thanks for clicking on the video. Please like and subscribe. Over and out and about. Hey baby. Just crossing the bridge. That's across from Pendle in the little beck. Whee! Dad, dad, dad. Daddy, daddy. Where are we going? Just stopped to admire the beautiful view of Pendle. Beautiful Pendle. Took our coat off because it looks like it was getting warm, and then a big nasty cloud wanted to come in. It's looking pretty dark over there now. So we're just gonna go and take some shelter in the woods. We're gonna put a basher up. Hey! Hey BB! Daddy, daddy! And this is where the rain came in, and we had to hide under the basher, and we stayed under here. We lit a little fire, we had a little bite to eat, we got ourselves together, waited for the rain, and then set off home. Hey baby, say hiya! We're just hiding under the basher, so it's piss wet through. Got a little fire going. Hiya! You're hiding? What's that? Me and the baby girl are back safe and sound at the car. We're just she's just playing, chilling out. Just got out of the car to have a smoke, left her sat in there listening to Pendle Ballet on Smooth. I'm just gonna have a smoke and then put her in a chair and come home. If you've stuck it out this far, I just want to say thanks for watching the video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Should have had more footage, but obviously the rain and equipment don't mix. But we had a good time, and we'll do it again sometime and hopefully film it. Thank you, like and subscribe.